war. As the first come, as the first collect. As the pin code and as the password. Osigi abanoma ama merezo. Ndawo mama bai na si ama uko Omenala ima kunu eli ama nkunu ke elu na ama mfotonu. Ọganiru na echiche nwere onwe ọrụ ihe ụmụ abeze awọ na anọ ebe a mgbe ọbụla na-ewe Ishi gị inwere onwe gị ka ị ghara iwe a slave in your own country, a slave in your own territory, a slave in your own house. Or a very big disgrace. Na-egbughị oge unu ka anyị gaa n'ubi onye anyị kọtara. Unu mana m na-agwa unu na Ebuka Obi wee criminal. Unu adịghị believe here. Ahụrụ m comment ebe some fools unu asị that na you talk about Ebuka Obi because you want to be popular. Kem kashi obi slave, a slave na kashi onwe obi. I want to be popular. Papani or can be popular. Idiot. The simple truth, ana agunu. Ko umbia sore Ebuka Obi guunu wayo. Ko umbia sore Ebuka Obi to waru na asi. Then imagine na all people like Ebuka Obi want to be popular because they want to scam you. And if I actually be popular, may present myself like this with the truth and honest. Can away your people, can away your friends, that makes you and them to be writing on comment section. I'm away madman. If only wear swag like me, your father will never dress like me. You yourself, your husband will never dress like me. This is not what I see. Check swag. So, having been said so, now, Animahu, Ebe Umali Kobi are addressing Ijele, my son. Nebukobia Abaragye. Ebukobia Yabu Pochasu or Rachana Sori. Ebuka on a criminal pulpit here. We go no pull here again. No ga drag here 2 years. Why are you trying to feel that statement? Ebuka on a pulpit here. We go no near Batagego Ijele case. Not the only like indirectly way. Only information that his God is a blind and deaf and dumb God. Because Chie cannot make him rich. Rather, he will use you fools to be rich. Okay, they use people like me to be rich. Never. Mua Koreafia. Mua Wajafia and Ebuka Obi no. Agama will reach Iwaji because I wouldn't make Iwaji for criminals. Now, even then when they put a good that now, me and some of my friends have discussed and concluded, accepted the bail condition Ebuka Obi and Nigeria Criminal Police Ijele. No doubt next week, by that my statement in Facebook. Next week, I got paid. Some of you are saying, you tell us Ijele will come out. You tell us you have accepted the bail condition. Where is Ijele? This, that. You are just a madman. Now, even I don't want to go into details. What really happened when our guarantee was presented? I don't want to go into details. Where good what happened. Because I may say it with emotion, I may say it with anger, I may say it with happiness, and I don't know how you will understand it. But when you hear it from the horse's mouth. Now that we have completed all the bail condition, did you know what Ali Kobi did? Ali Kobi and his criminals followers start digging into Ijele videos. Any man of God, any politician, Ijele cast his evil doings. Ali Kobi get print here, show connection with the person. He have seen that Nigeria will die. He have seen that his connection with zombies, his money will counterfeit to hold Ijele 2 years. To drag Ijele 2 years. Oh, John Alikobi. All the same one and Coach Agwu Nyawo Metrafancha, who they believe. That's why I see you fools as zombies. How can you believe somebody na ki apiacha di ki burike or piacha di engineer ke engineer burike engineer so na run na ministry ki apiacha di ki burike or piacha di his ugly poor zombie father ko burike papier so na run na ministry ki apiacha di ki burike or piacha di his own self poverty ke Ishi by his hustling, not by collecting money from people, scamming people, deceiving people, lying to people. Now, Ijele have met all the bare conditions. Ali Kobi, I put that now disgrace will be upon him. What he did was to send his followers to come online, start saying, Ebuka Obi abagharaghị Ijele. Ebuka Obi have forgive Ijele. Where did you forgive Ijele? Did you come open and say you have forgive Ijele? Did you go to prison, bring Ijele out the same way you put him there? What shows that you have forgive Ijele? What shows that you have forgive Ijele? Nothing shows that you have forgive Ijele. And you never want Ijele to come out. That's why you contacted criminal like you, your colleague criminal, Ezekiah. Ezekiah, Ijele meet to go his bail condition. On a lady time. Ezekiah, come. Ezekiah, go kiti. Shioka, digger policeman from Oka to Lagos. His police now arrive. Go to interview Ijele. Ijele didn't talk to them. Ijele didn't give him his time. Didn't give them his time. Ijele ignored them. As usual, you all knows how Ijele behaves. Now, Ezekiah feel embarrassed. His policemen feel embarrassed. They now put the case to court. Now, October call. So now, Ebuka Obi, his plan have failed. Everywhere he tried, even Jeremiah, he contacted Jeremiah to come and help him. But all these criminals knows that they are criminals. Fana abafana ezisi ha. Ebuka Obi feel ni Ndi Igbo. Ni ana aba no gati na ezisi and this year ga atosun. I have said it. Eje na njaba. Nyego sin njaba. I give Ebuka Obi 3 months to repent or I will expose him. Unashina, you said Ebuka Obi will die in 3 months. I have told you, go and bring the video where I said Ebuka Obi will die in 3 months. Stop being foolish and stupid. Dig out the video where I said Ebuka Obi will die in 3 months. Let the shame be upon me. Let the disgrace be upon me. What I said in that video, I'm going to expose Ebuka till he reach where he belongs. I will bring him to where he belongs. That's why KC Miracle, the blind girl, exposed Ebuka. That's why KC Mr. Ibu exposed Ebuka. That's why KC Emeka Anini exposed Ebuka. Now a criminal. That's why this key padlock Jonathan still exposed Ebuka, not a criminal. But you zombies will be protecting him because of every from now poverty in Nigeria. We will do na church and the game will every week at least spend their 2 million. Or one family near 2 million. That very week spend 2 million or 3 million. His income is not less than 20 million for that week. Over 3 million sacrifice. Many poor zombies And now Agazi there, believing that one day their turn will reach for Ebuka Obi to give them 2 million and 3 million also. Many of you Juleba, if you na cho katon unu no bage you ego. Many of you never, if you na cho to snatch people husband, nde buoke moto bia, nde name of all these are karakara you there to snatch people husband. I only come here to clear you all that Ebuka Obi didn't forgive Ijele. Ijele himself don't need forgiveness from Ebuka Obi. Because Ijele Oranwi Ebuka Obi, the answer is no. Ijele Obure Ebuka Obi, the answer is no. Ijele Omeru Ebuka Obi Ahu, the answer is no. Then, Kedifi Ijele Menye, ya we forgive Ijele. Kedifi Ijele Menye, Ijele need the forgiveness, yeah? Nobody is you. Ebuka Obi, before you say you forgive Ijele, stop criminality. Stop arranging, stop deceiving your people. Ijele gave advice to stop stealing from your people. Stop lying to your people. Very simple. But in a way, a personal. Because he told you the truth. Why is your pledge a full of flag? Case of Tinubu and Peter Obi exposed Ebuka also. Ebuka Obi see, people, the youth of Nigeria have made their choice. Anybody who want to by force sit on that Asoro, he will die before the day he is going to be swearing in. Tinubu is still alive. I'm not a supporter of Tinubu. No, don't quote me or get me wrong. I'm not a supporter of Tinubu, and I will never be a supporter of any politicians because politics will criminality gangs. I will never support politicians, no matter how truthful you are, till you convince me to my reasonable doubts before I can now support you. Ebuka Obi is nothing but a criminal. Also that in the NHM, Nigerian airport. Some fools here now say, come back home. Come back home. No. Because when he gets dark, he will never find me. Everything at the horse. In what time kita, I got any excuse in any forgive Ijele. I will never give excuse as you are doing now to clean your mess. Let me forgive Ijele. A devil, all forgive him man. Ijele will give you forgive you. If Ijele will for you to forgive him. Are you so stupid and coward that when the family to get you know about here? No, but you are arranging pastor. Are you not arranging pastor? Case of Jonathan, keep at Lockman. Is that not arranging? After ebe ha nọ n'Imo State, a na-ebuli ma o mere onye mkpọrọ gị ije. Nigerians are not believe ihe nke. Hey, Nigeria nọ na backward. That's why politicians will come, promise them water, promise them electricity, promise them good life, promise them insurance life. At the end of the day, the politicians will scam them. We not stand on his promises. The next candidate of after 4 years will come out. The same zombies your father had is stupid and your mother had is stupid. Ejenachia 2 cups of rice. Chinyo 4 godapa. Because you, your son, you as their son, you are so poor and coward that you can't afford a piece of wrapper to your mama. Your mama will give you 2 cups of rice, a piece of wrapper. Garera is there for 4 years. 4 years or less of a lot. Neti, Chichi to do well, Chichi and Nigeria. Where Jonathan, Una nebe, Chichi Jonathan, a Wolun, Jonathan, a Loto, Buari Abaga, Una Shimba, Jonathan, a Cab Buari Ma, Buari Bugetere, Buari Iku. Now, Buari the worst president so far. Buari Loto, Tunuba Abaga. Buhari kasi Tinubu ma Tinubu lotuo ya uno Peter Obi uno bara mo any person bara unu ga-etiwekwe Tinubu kakwa onye nke mma, because you people lack knowledge, you people lack experience, you people lack wisdom, you people lack sense to reason. Zombie. That's why I call you by name Zombie. Without looking your stupid face, prove to me that you are not a zombie. Muranya Kazu. Now, the reason why Ijele is still inside, we know everything. Because I don't want to give information outside. That's why for past how many months, I never come outside, because I don't want to be giving information outside. Makana, I better chop that now whenever I do broadcast, or whenever Chimeze Henry did broadcast, or all of us, whenever one of us do broadcast, our enemies will always hold hand on one or two statements. One more anyị na-emu Nnamdi Kalu chụgidere je ke ụgbọalachi onye na-achụ nwa ọkụkọ nwe ngwongwo ọsọ, onye na-achụ nwa ọkụkọ nwa ada. Nnamdi Kalu chụgidere nwa ada baga prison, ọ chụgidere nwa ada baga prison. Ebuka Obi na ha achụla m, but ọchọghị ịpụta because he knows he will never get me. That's ọchọghị ịpụta open. All these zombies here ha gbara, whenever I come back to Nigeria, he will arrest me. How can I tell you truth and still come and visit you again? Are you that so coward? No. Nchogoku, Ichorambia Bamon. Nchogoku, Ichorambia with your police. Nchogoku, Ichorambia with your lawyer. I come at Chogoku, Choropa give you look, you get as he be now. Your followers should tell you, Ezawo been an Ostra. Ezawo is not hiding. If you wait for Ezawo in Nigeria here 10 years, you may not see him. Because when he came to Nigeria 20 years, he may not see me for real. Because I lost nothing there. Evan is full of aggressive poverty and witch and wizard. In a woman, in a kuchi, in a ring, in a no left and right, in a move, in a some kidnapper, in a some ando chere, in a some andoshi, in a some woman nade, in a some everybody. Over where you will stay without you seeing yourself comfortably. You cannot phone in if you're not comfortable. We don't need your forgiveness. Go and forgive yourself. Go and forgive those that need your forgiveness. Ijele will come out and Ijele must speak. Ijele must speak. Okay, Jonia, call the story. What really happened? What kept him in there so long? And what effort he have made so far to come out? Okay, Jonia, call. For you to believe and know that Ebuka Obi is a criminal, and he will remain to be a criminal. Ndi Igbo state kita na-erase mande ngoro. My miracle blind girl choria bia miracle that everybody knows. There are there Ebuka Obi emeli di ka ofun uzo. Mana tomorrow ị ga-afụ nga a ga-eme onye Ishi afụ ụzọ. Onye a na-amadi ọ ga-afụ ụzọ. Onye a na-amadi ọ ga-aga ije. Because many pastors have scammed people with such magic. I will change my platform because of you. I may change my program. Now analyze each of your video. I will bring out my time soon. Change the plan of my program. The plan of my platform, focus only on you and other criminal pastors. I will be analyzing on a scam, stage, prophecy, and miracle. I'm going to analyze here to the extent of now, onye isi ga na-anụ ya na-aghọta ya without seeing n'ihu onye ochi. M ga na-analyze ya to the extent of onye ntị ike ga na-afụ how I'm demonstrating for him to know that n'ihu onye ochi, this is the level I'm going to come and be analyzing you fools. Actually, you know, I want to use you and to save my people. I will do it free of charge. I was sent to liberate my people free of charge. That's why I don't ask for offering. I don't ask for tithes. Whatever I do it freely because I get the energy, the experience, the wisdom free. That's why I share it with you free. You can only spend money to buy data to watch me because me also, I spend money to buy data to share the testimony with you free. So what can you go on data, both me and you? And I will never force you to load that on your phone to come and watch me. Go to hell, idiot, or it's go watch when the pastor. Everybody gave an please, they want to block my account. Share it. In your language, in the talker followers. Pump like. They are reporting my account. In your zombie na Facebook. Whoever you hear this language from is a criminal also. On our followers. I will never ask you to share my video. I will never ask you to like. I will never ask you to comment. Because I don't need your comment. I don't need your like. I don't need your share. Facebook, no, they pay me. So I don't need all those things. Only what I need to do, your time, and your ear to listen. Igerecha, money here, literally money here. If actually money here, you work for any mafia. What it concern me? Yeah, man, to make you money here, imagine here. Okay, we take an ask him going. Na ego, he make him money here, man. Last, he imagine here. Another ego to come here, all free. He money here, good of you. He got money here, bad of you. All your choice. And how reason you can reason. A comment that na bia apifu unu di so stupid you people are so stupid unu hapụrụ hope ụzọ dị mma bịara wọd ọrụ odu unu ahapụla hope ụzọ dị mma bịara wọd from Awomama junction to Okpu junction unu hapụrụ ihe dịrị unu na-akọ eri na o wee za awọ ihe dịrị unu. Ebuka Obi na-arụ with the politicians. Ebuka Obi na-arụ with the IPOP. Ebuka Obi na-arụ with the police. Ebuka Obi na-arụ with the non-government. Ebuka Obi na-arụ with the IPOP. Ebuka Obi is working with all of this bad egg in Omenala Igbo. That's why Oji be proud this year when all it takes to hold somebody 2 years. Manake Ijele will disgrace you. He will disgrace your God. Disgrace you, disgrace everybody around you. I promise you that Ijele will never stay there that 2 years you said. Kahu under Mos. Also, you get for Ezekiah. Also, you get for Jeremiah. Also, you get for Mekwensu. She Ekwensu Ijele Aparialia. Also, get for that your blind God. Ijele Aparialia. Ijele will never stay there 2 years. I guarantee you that. Ke Okwozonku. All the people you said Ijele will come out now. Why he haven't come out? No. Ijele will never stay there 2 years. As Ebuka Obi said, I will do everything possible in my power to make sure Ijele never stay there 2 years. Hold me accountable on that one. Ebuka Obi, Jesus Christ fought in the church. Ebe a na-ere ihe bulletin na candle na ihe ndị ọzọ. Mana Ebuka Obi na-ere all those things na church ya. Echi ya shi na ọkpatago ego. Ya wụdị onye gara na shop ya na-eme business. O nwere ike ihe na-abata na shop ahụ na-ede ewu 10 people na-abịa azụ afịa. more 20 people na abịa azụ afịa ife onye a na-eme ọfụma ọzụ ali na city ebe obi rụwa ụlọ na-agba moto enwee many things mana o nwere ike ịga na shop ya in a day ọ mmadụ 20 or mmadụ 10 na-abata n'ime shop ya azụ afịa. He's doing well. So what about Ebuka Obi na gather crowd? Lie to them now, buy this water, it will heal you. So people forcefully themselves to buy that water. People convince themselves to buy that water. That crowd will never daily basis now assume Ebuka Obi will never be poor. That is the honest and the fact. My concern, how do you know my concern will tell them that this is just ordinary water. My woman, when she came out like Catholic, my parents were Catholic people. Why the woman on a service in the Catholic name? Oh, I grew over 5 from me, Ghana Church. Reverend Father, we Chahani Lenu, she no go Jeli. Honorable Brumiamola. Reverend Father na Gabriel Tien, though Reverend Father na Azum no Azu. No one Tien na those me on Azuazu. But na members ego, we got hand na that me. Oh, we try and me no. But Honorable they die here na gallon ya. Kima and kill your own gallon. If you hear Reverend Father be we try and chani lemu or go share a mena fanna. Honorable le we no mean so na la free. Believe you me, then oh, we get such water will be working. Nearly people because Reverend Father do it freely willing. Such water you may drink it and your cancer Allah. Makinyo apply involve rego, chupade meso me involved because money is the root of evil. That's why I don't want to involve money on my Facebook. Because when I involve my Facebook, tomorrow I will be looking for content to lie to you, for you to follow me, to engage on my program, to comment, to like, not just something that you want to see, something that you will like to watch. Not truth, because I know you hate truth. But it never pushed me to come and be doing nonsense. Not like Facebook. Only jobless and lazy fools are looking for money on Facebook. I see it not the bad though. If you find yourself opportune to be making money on Facebook, do it. It's your wish. You can't hold this scam. You create the content, you post the people watch it, you make money. It's not a scam. I'm not against it. Yeah, when I know coming on Facebook, where YouTube, up to on social media. Man, you blame on social media or be a responder. Man, not on social media. But whatever happened on social media, be a responder. Even on social media, they Ebuka Obi, video Ebuka Obi everywhere. Man, also on social media. Video on social media or ghost here or spirit Ebuka Obi. Or not in a social media or use Obi and they believe here. Mba Jen na Facebook de Ebuka Obi, Jen na Google de Ebuka Obi, Jen na YouTube de Ebuka Obi, Jen na Twitter de Ebuka Obi, Jen na Instagram, TikTok, any website, any social media, Jeba de Ebuka Obi, you will find Ebuka Obi there. Man, I'm not about social media and you believe that statement. Did you see the reason why I call you zombie? You zombie na hachileke. The worst who sometimes you fools they report to come my page you. I didn't make a gaba. Ejo come na agwu never. Mama you no report to my page. Amadi you no achieve block my page. Amadi you no talk and loss on my page. Now the car who pay his fools to report my page till I lost it. They did everything human possible. My page who gidibam. Ebuka Obi is doing the same. His umo koko umutout ya umu achikote epono. They have been reporting my page. Man, Facebook has no right over me because they are not paying me. Facebook will tout where I am. Copy this place and send it to Facebook manager. Now nobody are tout. And wait for him. He can't even block my Facebook. The owner of Facebook is a tout. And there is nothing he can do to block my Facebook. Nothing. If you think I'm joking, call your daddy Gio, call your native doctor, call your president, team together, block this Facebook and you know. If they use and they make money, okay, they with them because this report, what they report, yeah, affect the charge the page, I lose nothing. Okay, they make can wear less money. No, I didn't wait there go. Machine only report I will get less money. I lose nothing. That's why they keep all you with open face, new zombie. Then they make it on Facebook. If they want to call you zombie, if they say I will kill you, kill. If they want to call kill, they call it a pie. More if I say you will die, you will die. Agamashi, you will die. Tell statement they talk go on Facebook. I think I go on Facebook. If I want to say fuck you and fuck your mother, I will say it as I'm saying it now. Fuck you and fuck your mother. Facebook will do nothing to my Facebook. Nothing. Because I'm in charge of myself. I'm not a slave on Facebook. That man I mind what to say and what not to say. I'm a master on my own at this Facebook. They cannot do anything. So being said that, I'm Marapun ever. And also each opportunity I will rejoice here with some of my fans. Onomana Chineke Goshimala wine with one work recently. Yes. As a bunwa here in Ania, I'm on your boy and no as a bunwa. Makana wa bueze. Now your generation. All the very important need you work in one. In a one the legacy you are keeping. Because any other thing now will want vanity upon vanity. If you die, all of them has gone. But one will never gone because one is your blood. One is representing you. As you has gone, after money, Mana when you gone, I gotta afford the Kamboti in Aba, Echeta, Ezego, Barodika Mota, Anakiaka. Ezego, Yanodika private jetta, Anakon Kahako, Ana valid Echeta Mad. The only thing they get Cheta Mad, woman, Afumwe Chetana, Afumwe Chetan, Mwau generation, Mwau future, Mwau everything. Yamano no man. Governor Ali Kobina is fools. They should stop lying. There is no forgiveness needed from Ebuka Obi. Yaune will forgive the person. We and our team, we don't need his forgiveness. Ijele personally, Ijele kuna. Yes. No matter what Ebuka Obi is trying to hold Ijele there 2 years, it will all fail. Believe me, I tell you this. Yeah, man, bye bye, no, bye bye, to choose, bye to twist. Ana agwu zere nduka ndo krimembu ihe kpọrọ ndị ụka ndị okulu ụka before ụka ifu na akpọ ụka church ụka ahụ meaniri okulu ụka trouble people, criminal people, thief, criminals, Nigerian politicians and Nigerian churches, pastors, that the Jews are all criminals. Quote me anywhere, bring me in any court, I will come there and defend it. That Nigerian politicians and Nigerian pastors, that the Jews are all criminals. They should gang themselves up together, both politicians and pastors. They should jam themselves together and come and petition me here in Austria. I will defeat them here with the fact and figure. Obodo nwere human rights. Obodo na-arụ accordingly. Obodo nwere system organized. It's not like Nigeria got where nobody have rights. Rich man ga-anara ga aligi. Jepe make arrest. Police arrest yagi. Go and Go again with the police, make arrest. Now Nigeria can such things never happen. Ever, if you arrest me, you can arrest me. Oh, man, last, yeah, no more win in the case. Police don't arrest him, not a problem. Go arrest him, not a problem. My time wouldn't waste him, wouldn't arrest him. All too much money, all loboda. That's why I wanted Ebuka Obi to come here. Let's do the case here. So when we go bribe all police, who put a hand shop lamputa. I got sacked that policeman. No go da. I said so. I think I do go to attack the chair gun noise. Mo that attack the chair gun noise. Here one is you. Oboda azuzu so ban and ezuzu without looking their stupid face. The highest thing the Oboda game to me, Ishimu, okay, you have overdue. We don't want you in Oboda, la begi. I go back to my place. Oh, the highest thing Oboda game. They can't do anything than to deport me. The highest thing they can do is to deport me. Mana mua wonya. Any monyo obula. Na agu na mo second song. Una dey believe here. First song, unu bufu oye. Mana mu anyiri unu, mu awono nso eru aka. I'm very close to you, but you can't touch me. Very close front of you, but you can't touch me.